So guys, let's see how we can share this main project to the GitLab from the IntelliJ. So again, I will go to the VCS and I will enable the version control integration. Here you can select the Git and click on OK. Okay, so once you enable the VCS integration, you will get different options like Git, your local master branch, and here the different icons to commit and push your project. Okay, so once VCS is enabled, you will get the empty Git repository over here. Okay, so first let's commit all our local files to our local Git repository. So from this commit window, I will select, let's say, all the files, and I will add commit message here. First commit and push. Okay, so we have not defined any remote over here, so you can define it from here, or as shown in the previous session, we can add it from the VCS window. Go to VCS, then go to Git and select the remotes. Okay, so click on the plus sign. So here we need to add the URL of our GitLab repository. Okay, GitLab project. So first I will go to the GitLab and I will create a repository or a project in GitLab. Create a blank project. Let's say GitLab test. It's a public repository and I don't want this readme, so click on create project. Okay, so this is the URL. Copy it and add in this URL. Click on OK. So URL is correct. Click on OK now. Okay, so we have added the remote now. So you can directly click on push. So these are the files that will be pushed from local Git repository to the remote GitLab repository. I will click on push. Okay, so for the first time it will ask me for my credentials. Okay, so in case of GitHub we have different options, like you need to use the tokens to log in into the GitHub, and then you will be able to push the project. But in case of GitLab, it will ask you your username and password. So if credentials are correct, then it will successfully push your project from master to new branch origin master in the GitLab. So you can verify it, just refresh the page. Okay, so we got our local project here. So let's try to make some changes in the GitLab, and we will try to pull those changes in the IntelliJ. So here I will make some changes over here. So I will just add one comment over here, a new code change in GitLab, and you can commit changes in the master branch itself. Okay, so this change, if you want, we need to update the project first, right? So I will click on update project, click on OK. So it will first go and fetch the changes, and then it will merge that master branch into the local master branch. So for the second time, if you are going to make new changes in the local, let's say code changes. Okay, let's try to commit and push these changes in this file. So in the commit window, it is showing this file has been changed. So select that checkbox and click on commit and push. So it will going to push master to the master branch. Click on push. So it will again ask me the credentials. So if I select this checkbox, it will not ask me any authentication every time. So here I will add my password. Okay, pushed one commit to the origin master. So that's all for this session, guys. Let me know if you face any issue in this. Thank you.